everyone. So the time has finally come and we have purchased our first house. I know many of you have been following along in our journey, so I wanted to give you the first peek at our new house before we do anything. We have lots of ideas, lots of things we want to do, but I wanted to give you the first peek at our house before we do anything. 1, 2, 3. Here's our new house.
You ready for that?
Yay! Go in. You can go in. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, there's this entryway, and then to this side we have a entryway closet, and we're just gonna be we're gonna actually be creating like a little mini office in here because we don't really have like coats or anything like that we use year round or like in the winter since it's South Florida, so we're just gonna be putting an office in here. And then, sorry about the lighting, it's nighttime, it's the afternoon here, so the lighting is not great. But this is like the living room. As soon as you walk in, here's kind of like another little entryway. And then we have the living room here, and that's all gonna be the living room. And then here is where I'm gonna be setting up the kids' homeschool stuff. And then as you go here, this is the dining room. This is where we're going to be setting up the dining room. And then this is the kitchen. Definitely not keeping the yellow walls. And then through there is our garage. And then the ceilings are just like huge. I don't even know what I'm going to do with that. Like, I'm trying to get my creative juices flowing. So then over here is just like a half bathroom with a closet. And then this is what we're going to be making into our room. It's pretty small, but we don't want any of the kids downstairs. So this is what's going to be our room. So we're really excited about that. Now I'm going to take you upstairs. And this is the master bedroom. And we're going to be taking the whole upstairs is carpet. We're going to be taking all the carpet out. And this is going to be the girls' like shared room. So we're really excited about that. I'm really excited to make it like a girly room. And then in here is the master bathroom. And then the shower. Like I said, we haven't done anything. So I'm really excited for you guys to see like how we change everything. So that's the master bedroom. And then the lighting, there's no lighting in this closet, but this is the master closet. And it goes all the way to the left, so it's really, really big. So that's the master closet. And like I said, this is gonna be the girls' shared room. And then in here, we have, it's kind of like a linen closet. And this is where we're gonna be putting like all the homeschool stuff. So that's going to be the homeschool closet. And then in here, the light is coming on. Okay, the light's not working in this bathroom either, but in here, this is like the second bathroom. And this is going to be like the main bathroom that we use. And then in here is going to be Hunter's room. I'm excited to put together a boys' room, and then this is Hunter's closet. So that is everything. I'm really excited to show you guys what we do. I know it's not like the most updated place, but we're super excited to call this home, and we're really excited to put our own spin on everything. So that is the first look at our house. I can't wait to show you guys our progress as we update things and make it more our style. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure you subscribe so you can follow along on our home ownership journey. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.